Very smooth.
Yep. So the biggest difference between this all-new X3 and the previous generation is a lot of refinement. The car is a lot more, as you notice, a lot more smoother. A lot more quieter. I would say mainly I would use the word is a lot more refined. So the engine is a 2-liter twin-power turbo engine, 252 horsepower, 350 Nm of torque. We can actually turn left to go to the left. So it's a very nice engine, power when you need it, and also economical when you want to just drive daily. And traffic light, we hit straight. If you want to compare to GLC is already running on 20-inch. We are running on 19. Like you said, the GLC is a bit on the extreme part where it's very bumpy. BMW has managed to find the sweet spot between comfort and also it still handles. You notice like bumps and all, it's quite soft now. You can feel it, but it's not jarring,
The suspension is not adaptive, is it?
No, it's not. No. Okay, why don't we make a right turn? We'll go towards Hatamas.
Okay.
Then only make a U-turn back.
Alright.
Okay, if it's clear, you can just go for it. So the only thing is, some people might not like the sports steering feel now because they feel it's a bit too sensitive for them. So this car, the secret is that because it's non-adaptive suspension, you can go to comfort and just push the gear lever to the left to still maintain the sport sport dynamic.
Do I have to manually adjust?
No.
Play with the pedal shifter? It's still in auto.
Down to Hatamas, then make a U-turn.
Oh, it feels better like this.
Much more comfortable, right?
Yeah.
That's why. It depends on people. I honestly, personally, I prefer it like this also. So that it's not so nervous now, especially the steering, the feel and all. But the gear still maintains it for you.
Exactly. Wow. And one thing I like about BMW is that I don't really need to play with the pedal shifter. On a drive like this.
It's clever enough to know which gear you need. That's the thing I find about the GLC, where it gear hunts. It will like so we keep right.
Keep right. Wow. So sharp.
We just keep going straight. And the Pusa signs the Negara, that's where we use.
Oh, this feels so good.
And to be honest, this engine slightly underrated. I actually feel it's really a gem of an engine, being a 2-liter.
Yes.
It is. Here we need to keep left. Being a 2-liter, producing 252 horsepower, 350 Nm of torque. it's rare that you find a 2-liter engine that can do that, you know, and also give you economy.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's true. Suitable for daily drive.
Yep.
After driving so many cars, still BMW.
It is still, after all, a driver's car.
Yeah.
It is, yeah. That's why, as much as people, there is a reason why BMW does certain things. Like, because we, usually for events like this, we have limited time.
Yeah.
And some people are not interested in the in-depth of things.
Yeah.
Okay? If I have time, right, what I will explain is that, you know, yeah, a lot of people say the BMW interior is boring, but there's a reason why behind all this. The biggest reason is that adaptability and usability.
Yeah.
Everything is within reach and easy.
Yeah.
I can still say like I've also driven a lot of cars.
Oh, definitely.
No system comes close to the iDrive in terms of usability.
That's correct.
Yeah.
I'm still not used to the Mercedes one, even though I've driven quite a few of them.
Exactly, yes. Even the Audi's MMI still needs work. It has improved. It has improved. The latest one has improved.
Yeah.
It still needs work. Okay.
Yeah.
Then why to? For example, if you jump from any other car, you jump to a BMW. Yes, it looks boring.
Yeah.
But you notice you get used to it very, very fast.
Yeah.
You jump to like a Mercedes, like, oh my god, like, you know, everything is different place everywhere. To control is a bit hard. Yeah.
That's exactly the point that I always say in my videos. Whenever I feature a BMW, yes, it looks boring, but the most important thing, I mean, at least to me, right, is the driving experience.
Yep.
Do you feel good driving it?
Yep.
Is it comfortable? Is it responsive? I mean, perfect for daily drive lah.
Yep.
But
unfortunately, I have to say we are the minority because quite a lot of people also look at the looks.
exactly, that's the thing, and the brand.
Yeah.
When I first went to one of your drives was at a performance drive event at Bukit Jalil. Ever since then, I really love your kind of job, you know.
Well, took me many years to get where I am.
It wasn't easy also for me to drive so many cars. I mean to this day when I first started also. Imagine somebody who has no background in automotive industry and asking marketing department to lend you a car to drive. People will think, who is this chiku? I mean logical lah.
Yeah.
Common sense But at least every now and then I'm still getting cars over the weekend and stuff.
Well, I didn't know Uber Eats is still going around. I thought it stopped.
Or are they riding on Grab's system right now?
Could be.
And it was you who taught me how to properly, have your arms like this when you're driving and all. Performance drive.
Well, I'm glad you're practicing it.
Seriously, ever since I went to your performance drive event, I've been following that in no matter what car.
That's good. That's good.